So here is the current status for the Fast and Furious ride. As you can see, a lot has changed since I was here, but 2 weeks ago, and we got workers up here just working, constructing this awesome ride that they're gonna have available. We don't know when it's gonna come out, but looks like it's pretty soon though. But look at this is awesome. That's the latest update from the Fast and Furious ride here at Full Throttle YouTube. Let's stay tuned for more updates. Let's go. So we have another view of the vantage. Excuse me, not vantage. So we are here at another vantage point for the construction of the Fast and Furious ride. As you can see, a lot of working is still taking place. Got dozers, got like people working hard. Lots of construction going on here. Like, look at that metal building right there. Wow. A lot of people just working, trying to get this awesome ride to fruition. Stay tuned to Full Throttle YouTube for more construction updates. Let's go. Here's another advantage point of the Fast and Furious construction that's going on here at Universal Studios Hollywood. As you can see, like I mentioned in the other advantage points, lots of construction is going on right now to make this awesome ride be fruition. Stay tuned to Full Throttle YouTube for more construction updates as it happens. Let's go.